Parking truck at job site. Make sure handbrake is engaged. Start truck engine. Wait for barometer reaches above 0.8 MPa, otherwise PTO could not be engaged. Step the clutch pedal. Connect PTO if hear any strange noise from PTO. Step the clutch immediately and reconnect PTO. Put shift lever to low speed mode. Put shift lever to speed 3 forward. Then release clutch slowly. Turn on power switch in cab operation box. Turn load stop unload switch to load position. Come to control panel on tailgate. Turn manual, auto switch to auto position. Put dusting close to lifter tooth only for 120, 240 L dustings. Turn container up, down switch to up position and hold. Container lifter will go up and dip garbage into hopper. Turn container up, down switch to down position and hold. Container lifter will go down and put container on ground. Open container lifter arm which could fit container trunnion. To fit container trunnion, the width of arms could be adjusted by tightening and loosening arm screw. Put container trunnion above the lifter arm. Turn and hold container up, down. Switch to collect garbage into hopper. You could also use the remote controller to collect garbage. The red button is stop, the green button is start. Long pressing the container up icon button to lift container. Long pressing the container down icon button to put container back on ground. Same operation for lifter arm. Long pressing container up icon button to lift. Long pressing the container down icon button to retract container on ground. Short press single circle button. Scraper will open, sliding panel will slide down. Scraper will sweep refuse and sliding panel will sliding up to move garbage into box for one time. Short pressing the circle icon button on remote controller to make sliding panel and scraper work one circle time. Short press continuous circle icon button. Sliding panel and scraper will work continuously unless press stop button. Long pressing the circle icon button for 3 seconds on remote controller to make sliding panel and scraper work continuously. Press the E-stop button under auto mode to stop continuous movement. E-stop button for all movements. Turn manual, auto switch to manual position. All single movement of sliding panel and scraper are manual controlled. Press scraper open button. Scraper opens. Press sliding down button. Sliding panel slides down. Press scraper close button. Scraper closes. Press sliding up button. Sliding panel slides up to sweep garbage into box. Note: tilt container lifter at highest point to avoid crashing with other subject while driving. When no need to load garbage, go back to cabin, step clutch. Press PTO to disengage PTO. Put shift gear at neutral position. Slowly release clutch. Turn off power switch in cab operation box. Drive truck away or turn off truck. Parking truck at job site. Make sure handbrake is engaged. Start truck engine. Wait for barometer reaches above 0.8 MPa, otherwise PTO could not be engaged. Step the clutch pedal. Connect PTO if hear any strange noise from PTO. Step the clutch immediately and reconnect PTO. Put shift lever to low speed mode. Put shift lever to speed 3 forward. Then release clutch slowly. Turn on power switch in cab operation box. Turn load stop unload switch to unload mode. Hold tailgate to up position. Tailgate lock will unlock automatically and tailgate will lift up. When tailgate goes to highest position, stop holding this switch. You could also use the remote controller by long pressing tailgate up icon button to lift tailgate. Hold ejector to extend position in cab operation box. Ejector will push out to discharge garbage. You could also use the remote controller by long pressing ejector extend icon button to discharge garbage. Hold ejector to retract position in cab operation box. Ejector will retract back. You could also use the remote controller by long pressing ejector retract icon button to retract ejector. When tailgate is lifted, if there is garbage in the hopper of tailgate, change load, stop unload switch to load mode. Press single circle button. Scraper will move to scrape garbage out from hopper. Change load, stop unload switch to unload mode. Hold tailgate to down position. Tailgate will retract. When tailgate retracts to lowest position, please carry on holding for 3 seconds. Tailgate lock will lock automatically. You could also use the remote controller by long pressing tailgate down icon button to retract tailgate. Please hold on down button for more than 3 seconds after tailgate retract to the lowest position, so that lock function could be engaged. Turn on LED light when needed. Turn off LED light when work finished. When no need to load garbage, go back to cabin, step clutch. Press PTO to disengage PTO. Put shift gear at neutral position. Slowly release clutch. Turn off power switch in cab operation box. Drive truck away or turn off truck. Regularly discharge waste fluid is needed. Open outlet of leachate fluid sink. Close outlet of leachate fluid sink. Discharge from drain valve. Leachate fluid tank underbody. Regularly discharge waste fluid in leachate fluid tank. Clean water tank for washing hands after work. Open the control box. Ejector control handle forward, ejector extend. Ejector control handle backward, ejector extend. Sliding control handle forward, sliding down. Sliding control handle backward, sliding up. Scraper control handle forward, scraper opens. Scraper control handle backward, scraper closes. Container lifter control handle forward, lifter up. Container lifter control handle backward, lifter down. Tailgate control handle forward, tailgate up. Tailgate control handle backward, tailgate down. Tailgate lock control handle forward, locking. Tailgate lock control handle backward, unlocking. Please drain the air pipe filter once water is full. Loosen the bottom screw to drain water. Note: this pressure valve has been set well in factory. Please do not adjust it before you get professional advice. Note: the tailgate safety props are used to support and keep the tailgate open. Only use them during inspection or maintenance procedures. Inlet filter 1 PC. Please clean it when replacing hydraulic oil. Outlet filters 2 PCs. Please clean them when replacing hydraulic oil. Note: make sure these sensors are not tilted by other subject or garbage. Ejector track, smear grease on the surface. Ejector cylinder rod and fill from grease nozzle. Sliding panel cylinder and scraper cylinder base and fill from grease nozzle. Sliding panel cylinder and scraper cylinder rod and fill from grease nozzle. Tailgate hinge pin and lifting cylinder rod and left side, fill from grease nozzle. Tailgate hinge pin and lifting cylinder rod and right side, fill from grease nozzle. Container lifter tilting rod, fill from grease nozzle. Container lifter back support, smear grease on the friction surface. Container lifter back support, smear grease on the friction surface. Container lifter cylinder and the connecting rod pins left side, fill from grease nozzle. Container lifter cylinder and the connecting rod pins right side, fill from grease nozzle. Tailgate lock connecting rod pins left side, fill from grease nozzle. Tailgate lock connecting rod pins right side, fill from grease nozzle. Tailgate lock cylinder, fill from grease nozzle.